Right guys, so I've had a customer ring me, Matt, can you do alley welding? Yeah, kind of. They've got a vehicle that's got a mudguard snapped off and it's actually cracked at the weld. So we're going to take the esab Rebel AC/DC out on the road and see if we can do something with it. I've looked at a picture of it. They're saying it's alley. It kind of looks like it might be galvanised, so we'll see what happens when we get there. Hopefully it's something we can repair and keep them going. So yeah, over the walls and away we go. Can you see over that edge? What a view.
Sounds like it's working.
Inside.
Have you turned it down?
It wants a bit more amperage, right? So that's that little job done. Little esab did me quite well. I'm only just learning to TIG weld aluminium, so I don't claim to be some sort of professional. It's functional. It's not pretty, but it's functional. It will do its job. Chances are it'll get bent and damaged again anyway. yeah, the little Rebel, they recommend 7 kVA generator to run that machine. My Jenny is 4.5 kVA, so I thought I'd just take a chance, see how it works. If it doesn't work, then we'll use a mains supply. Running at about 120 to 130 amps, no issue. Just needed to turn it up a little touch, run it up to 140 amps on the pedal, seemed absolutely fine. I caught the tungsten with the filler rod, shorted it, and it tripped the machine out. Other than that, it seemed absolutely fine. I don't think, listening to the generator, I don't think it would have handled any more amperage. Chances are it would have just kept tripping out, and then I'd have damaged the machine. So maybe a little bit bigger generator if it was going to be a permanent thing. It will be a one-off or a once every now and then to just patch something up, emergency repair. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Customer's happy because his truck's back on the road. Yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys.